Come on in, we're going to do another apartment tour here in Wrigleyville. This is a 2-bedroom on Seminary. We're going to come right in and we're going to back up here, but we'll show you the living room first. It's a smaller 2-bedroom. This is the living room. It's got that built-in hutch there. And we're going to walk back out and show you where we just came in, because the bedroom 1 is right here. This is bedroom 1, pretty good size, plenty of room for a queen or king size bed there. Closet there, nice window, very bright in this apartment. Back over here, here's the bathroom. Just a standard bathroom, nothing too fancy, but here's a hall closet. This is a large closet, kind of like almost like a walk-in closet. Here's a second closet in the hallway. And here's bedroom, this is a little alcove space, you put a desk or something. Here's bedroom 2. This one's a little bit bigger. It's got a bay window, and plenty of room for a king or queen size bed. And we'll walk back out here and see the living room. This is the living room. It's got one air conditioner in here, built in the window there. That's the living room, the hutch there. And we'll take a look at the kitchen. It's got some brown cabinets, tile floor. It's got a dishwasher there, fridge, electric stove. And here's probably the best feature. It's got a back porch out here. And you can sit right here. And that yard is the building next door. So it's just the porch. And there's a little barbecue area right here downstairs. You can barbecue down there where that red chair is. And then over there in the distance is Wrigley Field. So I don't know if you can see the lights right there at the top of Wrigley Field. So that's what it is. It's great to live in Wrigleyville here on Seminary Street, about 2 blocks from the CTA Red Line, about a mile from DePaul, in wonderful Wrigleyville, part of Lakeview. Have a great day.